Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience, like this. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come see us today. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.